Bit depth is another one of those very important issues that dramatically impacts the quality of your digital color. So it's very important that all digital artists understand bit depth. Let's take a look. Let's start with what is bit depth. First of all, it refers to the bits, how many binary digits there are in each color pixel. Now, bit depth means how many binary digits you have per color channel. So if there's 8 bits per color channel, that's the bit depth. And bit depth determines how many gradations you have to a color. To avoid confusion by speaking binary, we can understand the idea of bit depth by using our familiar base 10 numbers. And bit depth and the number of gradations you have in a color is all about the number of bits. Let's take a look in this base 10 example. If you have 1 digit in base 10, you can make numbers that range from 0 to 9, and that'll give you a total of 10 numbers. And if this were a color, that would be 10 colors. If you have 2 digits, you can make numbers between 0 and 99 for a total of 100 possible numbers. And again, 3 digits, 0 to 999 for a total of 1000. The same principle applies to binary digits. The more binary digits or bits, the more numbers you can make, the more gradations you can have in your colors. Now, there's no need to learn binary. I'll just give you the numbers and you can just trust me. So if you had only 2 bits, example here, you could only make 4 different levels of gray. You see huge, big, giant jumps between each color. If you have 4 bits, you can make 16 shades of gray, but that's nowhere near enough. You can see all the banding in this example here. Now, when we get to 6 bits, we can make 64 levels of gray, and we're starting to see the banding go away, but if you look closely, you can see there's still visible banding with 6 bits. But if we have 8 bits, we can make 256 levels or gradations in the gray, and we get a nice, smooth gradient. No banding. Now, it's not important to remember how many bits get you how many levels. The key point is the relationship between the bits and the number of levels. The more bits, the more levels, the smoother the gradient, the less the banding.